master no powers, I will mess you up.
Negate this!
Hold on, help!
We need Caitlin.
We need to get her to a hospital. Yeah, help me.
Cicada caused an axial burst fracture in her L3, L4, and L5 vertebrae. He also severely displaced her fourth thoracic vertebrae. It's not good. But our speed healing is going to kick in, right? Right? Cicada's cut flooded her body with dark matter. It's affecting her powers. Her speed healing should kick in, but for now, I'll keep monitoring her progress. Barry.
It's okay, she'll heal. It'll be all right.
What happened? Honey, why does it hurt to breathe?
It's gonna hurt for a little bit.
Why? I can't move my legs. Why can't I move my legs? Mom, I can't move my legs.
Nora.
Mom, why can't I move my legs?
Nora, look. You can't move your legs because Cicada broke your back.
What? So I'm paralyzed? What, forever?
No, not forever.
Well, for how long then?
We don't know.